Rotation around the origin. In rotation, we could either do 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or 270 degrees. Let's start with clockwise direction. A 90-degree rotation would mean you're gonna switch the X and the Y, but the original X will be negative or the opposite. And if you rotate clockwise 180, you will not switch the positions. You will retain the X, retain the Y, but both of them will have the negative. For 270 degrees, you switch the position of the X and the Y. The Y goes first, the X goes second, but now the original Y will be the negative or the opposite. Clockwise direction. For counterclockwise direction, take note that 180 degrees is the same whether you do clockwise or counterclockwise. So simply the negative of the X and the Y. For 90-degree counterclockwise, it's the same as 270 degrees clockwise. So that means you switch places. The Y goes first, the X goes next, but the Y will be the opposite or the negative. For 270 degrees counterclockwise, the good thing, it's the same as 90 degrees clockwise. So that means you switch the Y and the X, but the original X will be the opposite. Also in rotation, do not forget corresponding sides are still congruent. Corresponding angles are still congruent. The same size, yes. The same shape, yes. Orientation is retained, the same, but the location will be different. That is rotation at the origin.